Hey guys, so this is going to be a general reading for the next 72 hours for all those who are planning to watch my video. This is not a science specific reading, and please note that all these messages may or may not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Cool. Next 72 hours for all those who are planning to watch my video. Guys, I shuffle on the screen because I don't want you feeling that these readings are rigged or something. So I'm sorry if it takes a little um, longer than usual. Okay. You've got all reversals for some reason. Why are you getting reversals, guys? Okay. Cool. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Hermit card. I feel that you have been dealing with a lot of heavy energies in the recent past, and some of you will be dealing with these heavy energies in the recent future. And I also feel that in the coming future, sorry. Um, I also feel that right now it's as if you want to move on, um, but you know, the things that you want to move on from, either they include your work, which is like a new, like leaving your old job or company and moving on to a new company, or again reversals. Oh god, guys, what's happening? You've got the emperor twice, once it's reversed and once it's upright. I feel that you are moving on from a work situation for some where your authorities were sort of unfair with you, your seniors were unfair, you weren't appreciated, and you were overworked, overburdened with responsibilities. And it's not like you shirked away from your responsibilities. Um, it was as if you were given work and you were just expected to do it, which you even did. And but the fact is that they did not. There was no acknowledgement. There was no appreciation for your hard work, which made you feel burdened. You don't mind working hard, but if it's not appreciated, or if it's just taken for granted, it can become a burden on somebody, and that's what happened with you. But now I feel that you're moving on towards better workplaces. If it's a person that you were moving on from, this person was very stuck up. They were of the mentality of, my way or the highway kinds. And they also felt as if you were supposed to give them everything that you have, love, care, compassion, but they may or may not give it back to you, which was unfair because it was like, see, relationship is a two-way street, and you were the only one giving in to this relationship, and the other person was not bothered. I feel somebody from your past wants to communicate with you, but when they do, this could be this person that you're moving on from. When they do communicate, when they come forward, you're going to deny it. Like, you will just reject this communication and move on nevertheless. There could be an argument. This communication may lead to some kind of an argument. Because, see, in the past, whenever you tried to um, voice your opinion or tell them how you feel, it was as if it was as if they made you feel they made you feel as if it was too difficult for them to handle you and you were asking for the world when only you were just trying to tell them how their actions are impacting you emotionally. This person could come back and try to communicate within the next 72 hours. It could be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. It could also be a Scorpio or a Cancer. But I feel you want to relax. You don't want to, indulge in these communications because this has really ruined your mental space. In the past, you couldn't concentrate on work. You couldn't study if you were, if you're still a student. You couldn't study. You couldn't work properly. Your relationships with your family suffered because this person had impacted you, impacted your emotional state, which had a spillover effect on the other areas of your life. But you're moving on from that. You know that this relationship or this person, oopsie, don't serve you anymore. Yeah, they want to communicate, guys. And in the past, it was a tower moment when this thing ended, leading you to be um, thrown off balance. But now slowly you're gearing up, you are getting your strength back, and I feel that this person will surely realize that you're no longer going to be giving in to this relationship, because in the past it's always been you who was trying. This was your energy, the burdensome energy, you always felt like this relationship was more of a struggle than it relaxed you. Okay, you've got the Queen of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. You got the Eight of Pentacles here as well. In the past, if you felt that you couldn't concentrate on your work, now the momentum picks up and you're going to be feeling empowered. You've got the Three of Wands reversed here and Three of Wands upright this over here. So I'm seeing a lot of repetitions, which is fine. It's only making the information more concrete. You will find yourself concentrating on work, on things that make you happy, even even if you're not feeling happy, you're just concentrating on qualifying, uh, adding things to your CV, bettering your skills, honing your hobbies, making it more credible, um, adding value to your life. You're not paying attention to these people who have left. It could be one or more person from your past who wants to communicate with you in the next 72 hours, but I don't see you giving in. Even if you do give in, even if you do let them talk to you, it's not going to be anything serious from your side. You'll just be very to the point when it comes to communication, if it happens. But I feel it does because it's going to be, these energies are very strong. You've got repetitive cards. And I don't know who these messages are for, but I hope whoever watches this video finds some meaning and some kind of help from these videos. I'll just take out 2-3 general messages so that we can just sum up the reading. For the next 72 hours, I feel the sneaky person from the past wants to communicate with you. This person who kept you hanging, left you confused, ghosted you. This person wants to communicate and offer you a new beginning, but you won't be able to give into it because your focus now is on yourself and on your life, which is good. Nothing will come of this situation. Conclusions are within reach. It's time to release negativity. You and your loved ones are safe. Yeah, I guess this is your mentality right now. Like, what's the point? Nothing's going to happen anyway. Nothing will come out of this situation anyway. It's better that I concentrate on myself. It's better that I do things that make me more of who I am than give my energies to something that is so unreliable, which is good. It is a very good sign, guys. Conclusions are within reach. I feel that places that you have applied for a job, you'll be hearing back from them. If this person tries to communicate with you, you'll get your closure, which is also a conclusion of sorts. It's time to release negativity. You've got the full moon in Cancer. You've got the new moon in Cancer and full moon in Scorpio. In case you guys are amongst these signs, it only makes this reading more concrete for you. When you start concentrating on yourself and when you divert your mind towards your own self, your own energies, you will find yourself moving towards prosperity, happiness, mental, emotional, physical happiness, health. I also feel that the blocked channels of your life when it comes to money, even romantic relationships, they will open up because now you're working on yourself. You're investing your energies in the correct place now. You're no longer waiting for somebody to come and rescue you because you don't need to be rescued, guys. You just need to concentrate on your own selves. And you've got this. In case you were wondering, in case you were scared about your loved ones being vulnerable to things, rest assured that you and your loved ones are safe. This is a general message from the universe. And guys, don't worry, everything is fine. You've got this. And you're in a better place. Like in the recent past, you were facing a lot of anxiety and you felt dejected. But now you're coming out of that energy and you're feeling better about yourself, which is a good sign. So keep going on, even if this communication comes in. Be dignified in whatever you do, and don't stoop down to people. On Don't stoop down to those people's levels, especially if they've hurt you, because you're better than that, guys. And I hope this message helped. Thank you so much. Bye.